And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show you how we can use a while loop. This simply sets up a loop that executes until a certain condition isn't true anymore. So we have our regular setup, the loop, then the condition in regular brackets, then curly brackets with the code to be executed inside. For example, let me define an output variable. We'll set that to string value but empty. And then we'll define a counter. I'll set that to 0. Counter we use for the condition. As long as this counter is smaller than 10, we want to execute our code inside of the while loop. And here we want to simply store all of the numbers in the output. So we use output plus equals counter. Be careful with these loops, because if we don't increment the counter with each iteration, it is going to create an infinite loop. And this will crash your browser. You can see that right here. So we'll have to increment by using counter plus plus inside of the loop. This will then increment the counter with each iteration, so from 0 up to 10. And when it hits 10, it's not smaller than 10 anymore, the condition becomes false, and therefore the while loop ends. Let us also print out the output. This should give us the numbers from 0 to 9. And here we have them. So counter starts with 0. We enter our loop because the condition is true. Counter is smaller than 10 and 0 is smaller than 10. Therefore 0 is added to the output. Then the counter is incremented to 1. 1 is still smaller than 10, therefore the condition is true. Output gets the new counter of 1 added, therefore we have 0, 1, then the counter gets incremented to 2 and so forth until the counter has reached 10, and then our while condition right here is false and therefore the while loop ends. And this is how you can set up while loops in JavaScript. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.